So you want to be a better trader. I get asked all the time, where did I learn from? What books should I read? What indicators that I use? Where could people always ask me, where can I learn? Well, it's right in front of you. You can learn from charts. So here is a pattern that we have seen before, but I don't have logged, right? And it kind of looks like I'm getting kind of like almost a Batman, maybe like a crab claw. Anyways, it's a curve, comes down a peak, boop, 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 another one, boop, just like this, right? It almost looks like a one of those fist weapons, right? Like it's got, these are the two blades, and your hand would be right here, and it's got a little brass thing right here, right? And this is really symmetrical. This is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Whoops. Oh, where'd we go here? All right, so let's go back down. Okay, so we're on the 5 minute, right? Let's go ahead and zoom in. If you want to know, look at what happens before big moves, guys. And you can just go back through charts a month ago, 6 months ago, 2 years ago in your spare time. Did I show? Okay, boom. Check this out. I pulled this from a video of this Asian trader kid, this Forex. Look, this kid turned 30 grand into $3 million. Look at his office. He just has patterns that he's learned all written. I do the same thing. You should too, right? So just look at what is the pattern before big moves. And I've seen this before. I've seen it once, maybe twice before. And so mark it, save it, imprint it in your brain. And that's really all it is, just memory. And it's really nice and symmetrical. That was terrible. Golly. Anyways, you guys get the point, right? This is where I've learned from. Just this. Slice. Kind of like almost a little wong. Look at that. And then it takes off. So remember this pattern, because we will see it again. And when we do, we'll be able to take advantage of it. Now, fast forward to the market now. So it's kind of my belief that we are just repeating what we've already seen before. We're repeating this process right here. That's what we've been talking about for what, the past 2 weeks, letting it play out. So if we don't pump higher than this mark, you know, my money's bearish on a macro sense. And so yes, in our signal crew, yeah, we have guys, you know, we love trading instantly, doing a bunch of trades a day, but the honest to God's truth is sometimes better just do macro, short up here, you know, and disappear for a couple days, low leverage, make sure you don't get licked, make sure you're covered. And then in a couple days, you know, you see, okay, boom, we're at 3,600. You just took all of this profit right here. So I believe we're just repeating. We're just Fibonacci repeating. And it's so similar. There's so many similarities we've gone over for the past few weeks. So many. So we'll see. But when you see those patterns, look at patterns before big moves. Remember them. Save them to your computer. Write them down on sticky notes. Throw them up in front of you. And just remember them. And that's it. And then just chill until you see it again. Then you know it's probable. You know the probable outcome. Okay? If not, you could always just scroll down and if you want to be a better trader and donate to the channel, we have 130 happy members, kick-ass members. Let's check some of the profit logs here. Let's see what kind of profits people posted. This guy today, way to go, dude. Way to go. Good job. right? And so you can become a part of this whole discussion, all these people. I tell you what, when we clip out the negative people, man, today feels better. The chat is so much better. I've literally had about 4 people in chat message me going like, man, it's already better. I'm telling you, when you clip out negative people, people that are just annoying and shit, woo, it's so much better. So if you're a positive dude or dudette and you're not a flopping groper, come on and join us. Sid, stop chewing that, buddy. Come on. See you guys.